30. Is Caesar our Lord? Chalcedon Report number 321, April 1992. Under considerable pressure from Christians, Governor Pete Wilson of California, in late 1991, vetoed a, quote, gay rights, end quote, bill. He then quietly, by an executive order, required the California Department of Industrial Relations to rule on homosexual complaints of job discrimination. No exception is made for churches, Christian schools, and non-profit Christian organizations. At the same time, many churchmen are working to get a vouchers plan passed by a corrupt California legislature. What do they want? Homosexuals in their schools and pulpits? Where state funds go, so too do controls. The possibility of a First Amendment case against Governor Wilson's order will be surrendered. President George Bush, Vice President Dan Quayle, and Secretary of Education Lamar Alexander worked in late 1991 to get a school choice voucher plan through the Pennsylvania House of Representatives. Happily, they failed. Unhappily, they will try again. President Bush not only signed a, quote, gay rights, end quote, bill earlier, with a celebration party in the White House with homosexuals, but he fired the liaison officer to evangelicals, Douglas Weed, when Weed protested this action. Can anyone believe Bush has the Christian cause at heart? His voucher plan will enslave Christian schools. Are we again in days like those of Hosea, who said of Israel, the days of visitation are come, the days of recompense are come. Israel shall know it. The prophet is a fool, the spiritual man is mad, for the multitude of thine iniquity. Hosea chapter 9, verse 7. I learned recently that one country in Europe is deftly undermining Christianity. The churches are established, and everyone pays a 6% church tax. If he joins the church, the tax becomes 12%. I mentioned this last week to a friend who had been visiting relatives in still another Western European country. She reported a like situation there. Is it any wonder that Christianity is dying in such countries? Is this what we want here? No church deserves to live if the believers do not support it, and no Christian school or parochial school can be true to the faith if it looks to our petty Caesars, anti-Christians, but not honest enough to say so, for their support. Have our, quote, spiritual men, end quote, gone mad, as in Hosea's day? It is time to take stock of ourselves and of our churches. They do not belong to us, nor to the clergy, nor to bishops, nor to the church and its authorities. They are Christ's possessions, his embassies to the nations. Hence, Paul called himself an, quote, ambassador, end quote, of Christ, and the church early called itself a parochial, a extraterritorial domain belonging to a foreign power, Christ the King. Our word parish is derived from parochial. It is therefore outside state control, licensure, regulation, certification, or taxation. Are we about to surrender all this? Shall we soon see the churches join the ranks of those in our Lord's day who said, we will not have this man to reign over us? Luke chapter 19, verse 14. Will we crucify Christ afresh? Hebrews chapter 6, verse 6. For not silver, but paper. And, if it seem evil unto you to serve the Lord, choose you this day whom ye will serve. Joshua chapter 24, verse 15. Be honest about it. If Caesar is your Lord, serve him. But if your Lord is Christ, serve him with all your heart, mind, being, and pocketbook. Or is that too great a test of faith for you?